Welcome to 2067 Anglers Retreat, Murfreesboro, Tennessee, which is located just 40 minutes south of downtown Nashville. Hi, I'm Sam Azadorian with the Home Squad of eXp Realty, and today I can't wait to show you my brand new listing. Now, this home features 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths, wood floors throughout, granite countertops, a fenced-in backyard, and the best part, it has a covered patio with an outdoor fireplace perfect for entertaining guests. Come on, let's go have a look. Well, that wraps up our tour. Thanks so much for watching. If you would like more information on this home or you would like to schedule a private showing, please reach out to us at our website, NashvilleHomesquad.com.